afternoon. I see a firm of 11th class. My school name is Government Higher Secondary School, Karnashrigal. Today my topic is role of moderates in freedom struggle. During the first phase of the freedom struggle 1885 to 1905, the Congress program was very moderate. The moderates strongly believed in the essential sense of justice and the goodness of the British nation and followed the policy of gradualism and constitutionalism. Thus, they followed the three Ps policies of prayer, petition, and protest. It demanded mild constitutional reforms, economic relief, administrative reorganization, and protection of civil rights. Other demands include the organization of the provincial councils, simultaneous holding of examinations for the ICS in India and England. However, the leaders were cautious in their demands. They did not want to annoy government and incur the risk of suppressions. During this period, a general impression grew that the moderates were political mendicants only. The gap between the masses and the Anglicized leaders was bridged by the leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai, Aurobindo Ghosh, B.G. Tilak, etc., who took inspiration from traditional culture values and were ardent nationalists who wanted to have relations with other countries in terms of equality and self-respect. The basic cause of rise of extremism was recognition of true exploitation nature of British rule in India. Moderates had total faith in British sense of justice and looked to England for inspiration and guidance. Loyal to British, they believed in peaceful and constitutional methods to demand and fulfill those demands. Moderates used petitions, resolutions, meetings, leaflets and pamphlets, memorandum and delegations to present their demands, confined their political activities to the education classes only and not masses. Their main aim was to attain political rights and self-government stage by stage. Indian Councils Act of 1892 was the first achievement of the INC. This act increased the size of the legislative councils and also increased the proportion of non-officials in them. They were able to sow the seeds of nationalism in the people. They popularized ideals like democracy, liberty, and equality. They exposed many draining economic policies of the British. Thank you.